Hey guys, welcome back to Curls on Demand. So let's just get right into it. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to like, go ahead and like. But I'm just trying to get straight into this video. All right, so today, y'all, well, not today, but in 2 more days, your girl is going to be getting her master's degree. Can I get an amen? Y'all, I've been waiting for this day for so long, and nobody about to take away this shine, baby. Anyways, so like, I plan on wearing my natural curls or curls for my graduation, and I was like, yo, wearing a graduation cap with my hair down is really crazy. And I've thought about some other styles that I'm trying to do, but because I've had all of these ideas in my mind, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna share this for everybody out here who's also graduating, gets curls, and is probably having a terrible time trying to figure out how to wear their natural hair with this dang graduation cap. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you some graduation hairstyles for your cap and some ways to wear your cap, especially when you're trying to, rock those natural curls. Okay, so let's get into the video.
The first 2 hairstyles I recommend when using your graduation cap is a sleek low bun. Now you can wear that with a side part or middle part, and they'll both look great in pictures with or without your cap. Next is a sleeked low side ponytail. I like the side ponytail better than a regular ponytail in the middle because the hair is not hidden in pictures and it doesn't look like you're bald under the cap. Now the next cap ideas are for girls who want to wear their curls down and in its full glory. Now I got the graduation cap ideas from Curly Bevy, so go ahead and check her out. So for the first cap idea, you want to puncture or cut out 2 holes on either side of the cap, and here I'm showing you how I use my scissors to cut those holes out. Just follow this exactly and you should be fine. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a hole on the other side. Now once I have the 2 holes, I'm going to go ahead and get these double-toothed silver pins, which I use for my pin curls, and I'm going to place 1 tooth through the hole and leave the other tooth hanging out. Now I'm using my glue gun to seal away the inside white part of the cap. And voila, it fits perfectly on top of my curls without messing things up. And let's do a shake test. That thing ain't going nowhere. The next option is the graduation tiara method. Now, you have two options. You can either glue the edges of the cap to the square base to keep things flat and then glue on the tiara. Or you can attach the tiara to the base of the cap and then flip the edges of the cap up and use the glue gun to glue them to the tiara. And it will also look like the first option with the pins. Now you can always go ahead and just cut off the cap base and then glue on the tiara, but that's all up to you. Now don't mind the mess here. I had to rip off the edges from the other method to show you this option. My bad. Here is the difference between these two tiara options, and this is how it will look when you place them on your head. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment and subscribe.